Hi all you people at Downer Construction, it's Shaun Robinson here from the Mental Health Foundation. I just wanted to say thank you again, thank you so much for supporting us here in the mahi that we do for the mental health and well-being of all New Zealanders. I really hope you guys are going okay. It's Mental Health Awareness Week just round the corner on the 26th of September. The theme this year is reconnect with the people and the places that lift you up. All the lockdowns and all the pressures, you know, many of us have not been able to be with the people in person or go to the places or be part of the environment that builds up our mental health and our positive well-being. And this is a great reminder to reconnect. Get out there and spend some time with the whānau, with your friends, with your church, your sports club, your workmates, whoever are the people that lift you up, that give you a boost. And also places are really important to this. You know, it might be, getting to the beach more often. It might be, getting out into the garden now that spring is here. It might be, getting out of Auckland if you're lucky enough to have that opportunity and go to some special place, on the weekend. 1 in 5 of us every year will experience mental distress that could be diagnosed as a mental illness. Myself, I live with bipolar disorder, and I can tell you that this well-being stuff, it's not just for people that are basically okay. I use things like connecting with people, connecting with places, connecting with nature as a critical part of how I recover when I'm going through tough times, and I do. I go through times of pretty major depression 2 or 3 times a year. So I use those skills, those behaviours to help my recovery, and then I try to maintain that stuff because that helps to keep me well. So, this is for everybody. Our mental health is an asset. We can work on it just like we can work on our physical fitness by doing the things that lift us up. But thank you once again for all your help, and see you in Mental Health Awareness Week.